Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Whoa. Whoo, look at the hands, Nathan. All right, y'all, so we got a bunch of packages in-house today, y'all, that we gonna be unboxing. Now, I'm not gonna unbox this stuff just yet, so we're gonna pull this off to the side for right now, but we're gonna focus on what's in this box right here. Now, this isn't even all of the stuff that I planned on getting here on the channel. I got some more stuff that's gonna be coming on Friday, so definitely be on the lookout for that. So basically what I'm saying is, I'm about to be all over y'all home screens. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed here. Now, this here, I believe, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 that we got here in-house, man. I'm actually hyped to kind of take this one out the box, check it out, try it out, all of that, and get it all set up so we can, you know, kind of play around with it and everything like that. So they got the box definitely stuffed tight in this bad boy. Let's get into everything inside of this box right here. Now, Samsung, they do like to use a lot of like the recycled material. So again, shout out to them trying to save planet Earth out here. But you know, this is kind of it just keeps going. Like, Samsung, really? I'm just trying to get to my phone. After a whole shedded snake skin, we got it here. Now, the one that I got here is, honestly, I can't even remember what color I got. I'm gonna be 100% real with y'all, but we don't have to use any more knives here, so we're gonna peel that off right there. We got the pull tabs, boom, right there, and it just come off just that easy. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy here out of the box. Now, the first thing we get, obviously, is gonna be our phone right here. So let's go ahead and just take the paper off of this right here. Definitely messed that up. Okay, so the one I went with is the all kind of black on black. This is kind of like that gray base here. Again, two-tone look. And then boom, we got the full look and the full joint right there. Whoo, definitely look clean for sure. Ah, bam. Whoo. Whew. So that's what we got here as far as the phone goes. And then we're gonna go ahead and open up this stuff right here, see what we got in here. So this is probably gonna be, again, we got our charging cable, which is a USB-C to C. And then you get some quick start guide, paperwork, nothing special there. And then you also get your SIM ejection tool. All right, so let's go ahead and power this bad boy on, and we're gonna go ahead and get it all set up. See if we got some juice. Do we got some juice? Samsung, you gave us some juice or not? Okay, we got some juice, we in there. While it's actually powering on, first thing I gotta say is I do like the feel of this phone just in hand when I got it opened up. And then when I close it clamshell like you see right here, I just like how small and compact this phone is. Now, I will say right off the bat, this phone definitely seems a little bit more durable than it did on the Z Flip 4, which was definitely a phone that, I'm gonna be honest with you, that phone I felt like had a ton of issues with it. It was the reason why I decided to send that phone back. But I feel like just right off the rip, I feel like this one here is a lot stronger when it comes to the hinge, when it comes to the whole hinge system that we got right there. So definitely feels more premium than something like the Z Flip 4. Now, this is always kind of like one of those things when it comes to setting up a new device. Like, it's kind of like, it's like that long process that you just don't want to do, but you know you got to. All right, now the first thing I always like to do is switch mine to dark mode. Like, instantly, that's like one of the first things that I do when it comes to a device like this, whether it's my tablet or a smartphone or whatever. Dark mode, man, over everything. If you guys do want to add things, that's right here on the front screen. Now, it is done within Labs, so you will have to go into your Samsung Labs here under Advanced Features, and then within here, you can actually allow apps on the cover screen. So once you guys enable this feature right here, it's going to allow you guys to be able to select whichever applications you guys want to actually have on that home screen whenever you guys have it in clamshell mode. So for me, I want to go ahead and allow Netflix, YouTube, messages, and then as well as maps. So let's just go ahead and turn everything on, and then boom, just like that, you can see all of the applications that I have right here on my home screen that I can access. So if I want to go into YouTube, all I got to do is just tap on that, and then go ahead, we will allow it for right now. And then boom, just like that, we got YouTube right there on our home screen, y'all, which looks super clean, man. And to be honest with you, it is something that it's viewable too. So like, I can go right here on my channel, and shout out to all of y'all, because we just hit 80K on the channel, man. So, you know, shout out to all of y'all out there for your support. But like this, I can just go right into my video, and then boom, I can be able to just watch YouTube content right here on my phone without me ever having to open the actual phone up, which to me, I think is clutch. So for me, y'all, this was one of the biggest issues that I had with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 was the fact that I had a phone where yes, it had a screen on the front, but I really wasn't actually able to use that front screen like I really wanted to just because it was such a small and viewing display. So now with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, they fixed all of that. And to me, this now makes the Galaxy Z Flip 5 seem like the Z Flip that's finally complete to me. And you can see right here, like you can easily be able to watch all of your content right here on your home screen or whatever, and you don't have to worry about always opening up your phone whenever you guys want to use it. Now again, all of these applications, they are going to be expanding this, so maybe in the future we will see Twitter to be able to be supported on here. We might see Instagram being able to be supported on here. So again, this is going to be something that's going to be expanding over time, but I will say the fact that they got YouTube on here, which is probably the most like high trafficked like website that's out there, the fact that we get this on day one, you know, I'm all for it, man. So shout out to YouTube and shout out to Samsung. The first thing I want to do is I want to actually check the audio quality. What does the audio quality sound like when on this phone right here? Huge differences that I feel like you guys out there should be aware of. The first one, damn, even in close, the speakers sound crazy good. Like they're definitely loud for sure. Pretty much the same. All right, let me go ahead and play some music here real quick. Continuation. Hey, let's go. Hey, the speaker quality to me, I'm not gonna lie to you, the speaker quality on this phone is real good. It's definitely plenty loud if you wanna be able to hear somebody or anything like that. Definitely a solid device for sure when it comes to that. Now, the other thing that I like about the screen on the front here is that I feel like nobody's really talking about is the fact that it's so glossy. It almost kind of reminds you of like a mirror. It almost kind of gives you a mirror vibe on this black whenever there's nothing on it, when it's actually just on always on display. So which is kind of cool though, but once you turn it on, obviously all of that goes away. But let's go ahead and take a photo sample here real quick, and let's test out the cameras. Let me go ahead and launch open the camera app here real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick selfie here real quick. Boom, there we go. All right, let's do it in clamshell mode. And this is a dope part here because you can actually see how big the screen is right here. So which is dope. And I can just press the button right here, and then boom, I can tap right here on the side. And then what's cool about it is I still get a preview of right here on the side here, exactly what I just took right there, and you can see it right there on the screen. Let me actually turn the brightness down so you can see it a little better, but you can see exactly the photo right there. And I'm gonna be honest, man, the quality, I feel like the quality coming out of this camera is pretty good. Let's go ahead and do a video sample, and let's actually see what the video quality looks like. So right now I am recording on the brand new Galaxy Z Flip 5. You can just get a sample of the video quality coming from the front facing camera in clamshell mode, as well as you getting a test of the audio quality coming right out of this phone as well and the camera. So let me know what y'all think down below of the audio quality as well as the video quality. And then boom, I can end it just like that. Now let's go ahead and turn it up and see what the audio quality sounds like. Flip 5, you can just get a damn, it sounds actually pretty good. Video quality coming from the front facing camera. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, man. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what it looks like right here. Yeah, I'm digging the cameras on the outside. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick test of the cameras on the inside right here. So we're gonna switch it to UHD here, and we're gonna do our 9x16. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the video quality coming from the front-facing camera on the inside. All right, what up, y'all? So right now, this is a sample test of the video quality coming straight out of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, right now, I'm using the front-facing camera when the phone is actually open. You guys can let me know what the quality is sounding like right now, what the video quality is looking like right now. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, just from my initial test, the front-facing camera here is just okay. It's good just mainly because I do have a lot of light in here, but I will say just from using the rear camera to using that front-facing camera, like it's not bad. You could definitely use this for video calls and different things like that. But I will say if you're using and you probably want to take some type of selfie, I would probably keep this bad boy closed like this. Go ahead and launch the camera app. and then boom, you can just take your photo and then you're gonna be good to go. But all in all, man, I just wanted to get this here unboxed for you guys, set it up, and we're gonna be taking this bad boy out. We're gonna be doing some day in the life content on here. We also gonna be doing some shorts, so a bunch of stuff. Again, your boy about to be all over y'all timeline, but I just wanted to get this open, share it with you guys, show it off, and let you guys know what I thought initially. But until then, man, I will see y'all in the next one. Squad. Boom, there it is.